Good day everyone, especially to our dear instructor in Nav 216, Captain Roy Cabrera. My name is Tecala Giancarlo Mission from the University of Cebu Maritime Education and Training Center. And today, I'm going to show you how to navigate in a traffic separation scheme using an app simulator which is the Transas ECDIS. So to start with, let's just proceed to our application which is the Transas ECDIS. Then um, proceed and locate the traffic separation scheme that you are going to navigate. So what this scenario, I'm going to use this TSS, which is at some part of the Hamburg, Germany. So of course, in navigating a traffic separation scheme, we should need to have a route plan. And in order to create a route plan, you just click the voyage planner at the bottom part of your screen. Then click the new button on the left side. Then to create the route plan, just click first the starting point, which will be supposed to be the vessel that you are using, or the vessel that you are in navigating. So this will be the starting point of our route plan. Then according to the rule 10 of the collision regulation, which is all about the traffic separation scheme, in joining and leaving the TSS, we should do it at a small angle. So we will be joining this TSS at a small angle. So this will be our second waypoint. So, but also according to the rule in the collision regulation, if we are crossing this TSS, we should do it at a 90 degrees angle for the other vessel to know our intention. So, but in this case, we are just joining this TSS. So, we just do it at small angle. So, now that we already joined the TSS, what we need to do is to follow the arrows at the traffic separation lane. So this will be our waypoint 3. We should not get near to this part because this is a traffic separation zone, and this part is the direction for the other vessel. So we should not also get near and navigate at this part because we will impede the navigation of the other vessel. So just focus at this part of the TSS and follow the arrows or the general direction flow that is recommended to us. So this will be our waypoint 4. Then this will be our waypoint 5. And lastly, this will be our waypoint 6. So as what I've said earlier, according to the rule 10 of the collision regulation, traffic separation scheme, in leaving the TSS, we should do it at a small angle, just like that. So let's just say that our route plan ended right here, and you will be now creating another route plan. You just need to click escape to end creating the route plan, just like that, and also click another escape to control the um, control bar at your screen. Click again escape, just like that. Then in order to save your route plan, just click the save button on the controls, just like this. And but you can also rename your route plan any name that you want, but in this scenario I'll be naming it as just Hamburg. Then click also enter, then save. So now in order to use your route plan that created in navigating your TSS, just click the simulation at the bottom right of your screen. Then click the route plan that you created, which I named earlier as Hamburg. Then that will start the navigation of your vessel. So and it will manually navigate on the TSS using your route plan that you created. But if you want to navigate manually on the TSS and just follow the route plan, you can click in the route as none. Then now you can control your vessel speed and direction manually using the controls in the bottom left of your screen. So this is for the speed of the vessel. Then this is for the direction of the vessel. Just like this. So if you are navigating or using a manual navigation in navigating a traffic separation scheme, I recommend to use a head up, because it will be easier to control your direction in this way. And also, if you want to change your display, you can use a relative motion, or it varies depending on your choice. Of course, you can use true motion or relative motion. And also, if you want to monitor the tracks that you already navigate, you can click here the show primary track. Then you can change colors what you want, just like this. So that is all. So I think that's all for this tutorial. Thank you everyone for watching.